During the bulk of the year, this is where all our produce is coming in. The trucks are picking up the deliveries. And peak tomato season, you can barely even walk in here.
I think it is a great way for us to give produce to the community, and with the farm share, it's a great way for us to personalize each box.
You know, that brings them closer to the food and brings us closer to our customers. You know, when I was a kid, I used to come to wards and experience that. So here I am working there, driving the hay rides around and giving the same experience to this generation of kids. A lot of fertilizers, the way they're produced, very harmful to the environment. So by growing a cover crop, it maintains the soil fertility. You can plow it back in to add it back to the soil. We compost on site here. A lot of the leaves we mulch with to help maintain the soil moisture, and then try to keep it as self-sustaining as we can.
When people come here and see the work we do, they learn to appreciate food more, which is actually why I started farming. I wanted to know where my food came from. In the same regard, that's almost what gives me hope, because you do see that there's people our age and younger getting into it, and there's definitely a change, I think, in the way people are thinking about their food. So
even if it's not a whole farm like we have here, but people are trying to buy plots of land for a homestead, they're raising chickens, they're just doing a little bit of gardening, and every little bit like that helps.